I'm Domanick Hubbard. I went to Southeastern. I graduated in 2014, majored in musical theater and minored in dance. In high school, my dance team coach, her husband had went to school here, and he was like, I think you would love this school. They have a show choir group. Their musical theater program is great, so you should go audition. So I actually went to audition for the music program, and while I was here, he texted Aaron and was like, do you have time to see a student? And he was like, absolutely. And I came over to the BPAC and I did a song that I didn't have sheet music to, and I read a monologue right out of a book, and it was just one of the worst things I've ever done. But Aaron Adair had saw something in me, and he was like, I think you should come to school here. I love the people, the students here. It was just such an accepting environment. I never once had to deal with any kind of negativity. I always felt welcome. I always felt open to be myself. I also love the professors here. They're literally like my lifeline, even to this day. They care about you as a person and they care about you as a student. And I also just love this campus. It's a small town, so it made me feel like home. Everything's in walking distance. One of my favorite memories of Southeastern is when I was crowned the 2014 Homecoming King. It had validated to me that I was important to people, which has always been my goal in life, is to be a positive impact on people. And once I was crowned that day, I knew I had achieved that goal, at least at that point in my life. Right out of college, I went and worked at Six Flags Over Texas for 2 years. I did 5 shows there, and then right after Six Flags, 2016, I did theater in Dallas and Fort Worth for that whole year. I did 6 different productions at 6 different theaters. And then in 2018, I became the resident choreographer of Granbury Theater Company, and I worked there. And then right after I came back to do OSF in 2018, I went to move to New York. And while I was in New York, I had the privilege of working with Todrick Hall on his wig video. I had the privilege of going to Virginia Beach and doing Sister Act there. And now I'm on the national tour of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Be positive, be kind. Negativity will never get you anywhere. Positivity will get you everywhere. Come to school here and do the theater program because it is home. There's so much love here, and you can truly find your passion with this school. Yeah. Nailed it.
That was great.